actually go hand in hand, and that's your thumbnail and your title. These are essential when it comes to creating great content. When most small YouTubers go and try to create their thumbnail and title, usually it's a last minute thing. They've already filmed their video and basically they're just taking a screenshot and that's what their thumbnail is gonna be. And then what happens? Well, they don't get the amount of views that they thought they were gonna get. Let me show you some of the tactics that I personally use when I go about trying to create a great thumbnail and title. And I do not care what kind of content you create. This will work for almost any single niche. I can't think of a niche that it wouldn't work for. So in order to create the best thumbnail and title for your video, you first really need to understand the YouTube algorithm. A lot of people think to just stuff their title, their description, their tags with a bunch of keywords and the AI will automatically promote your video. But that's not how the YouTube algorithm works at all. You see, the algorithm doesn't really choose what content to promote. Instead, it's people that are choosing what content to promote. If enough people are scrolling through YouTube